Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 15 event is expected to take place in September. While the official unveiling is still weeks away, leaked information has already provided some insight into what to expect from Apple's next generation smartphones. The company is likely to introduce 4 models, following a similar pattern to last year's lineup. One of the most significant changes tipped in the iPhone 15 series is the transition from Apple's proprietary Lightning port to a USB Type-C port. The physical mute switch that has been a familiar feature on iPhones for years is set to be replaced by a new and programmable action button. The standard iPhone 15 is set to feature a 3877 mAh battery, surpassing the 3279 mAh unit found in the iPhone 14. Similarly, the iPhone 15 Plus is speculated to house an even larger 4912 mAh battery. As for the Pro models, the iPhone 15 Pro might cost $100 more than its predecessor. Similarly, iPhone 15 Pro Max is likely to get a $200 price hike. Notably, iPhone 14 Pro was launched at a starting price of Rs 1,29,900 and iPhone 14 Pro Max was launched at a starting price of 1,39,900.